Hi everyone, it's Linda Canase with iCrafter, and I'm doing a little catch-up here. So I wanted to share the designs from our January launch, the very first launch of designs from iCrafter, the very first batch of designs from iCrafter. So exciting, this was where we started, and I thought I'd do this little catch-up video, but also share the sketches from some of the early drawings. In our RV, I'm somewhere kind of near San Diego area. We are, I have my camera set up, I have the RV behind me. It is beautiful today. It's a little warm, but it's beautiful. We are overlooking, there's a lake over to the side there, and tomorrow we're gonna go fishing, but today I thought I'd take some time and share the designs from January and show you what we have. So bear with me, this isn't the easiest video to shoot. I'm working, like I said, I'm working on the from our RV, so I have to do with what light I have available. This is the January launch. This is our Heart Hands wiper insert. It is the start of our wiper insert cards, and what you get with the insert cards is this inside part. You don't get the outside card because this is a standard, you could do it on an A2 card or anything larger on a horizontal format, but what you do get are these hands that create a heart, and you could see that it does this wiper action, and what it does, it creates that heart shape. This was kind of the start of the process to make it. This was a prototype I was working on. You could see the wiper arms come up here, and this is where a lot of my work starts, either in the sketchbook and then it ends up doing a paper prototype and seeing what it looks like. But you can see where the heart hands come moving up and create that heart. So that is the Heart Hands wiper insert. Another die in this collection is the Heart Maze, and you can see it creates a really fun little maze type design, but I wanted it to be unique in that it's heart shaped. So this one actually someone made it into a stand-up card that you can see, and this one is a shaker. This is the Heart Maze. The other one is, it's another maze, but it's a stamp set. It is called the Amaze Me stamp set, and it creates this really fun maze. And you could just, there's phrases in there, I'm lost without you, you amaze me. You could just see how fun that is. You could do a cute little card. Again, this is a shaker card, and this is just embossed, heat embossed. And now these faces are another thing, another die set we have. It's the Making Faces set. And I had so much fun with this because the die itself are fairly generic faces, and you have glasses and facial hair, and so here's just an example. Now you can mix and match these in as many ways as you want. Different hairstyles, different glasses and facial hair. There's bows, and there's just different things. You can see goatees. And here's an example of a wiper card with these faces on it. You could just see how many different, depending on hair color, how you want to do it. And it was just such a fun thing. And again, you can mix and match it with other die sets. That's the Making Faces dies. And then I have the zip gift tag, which was so much fun to design. Before I move on, I wanted to show, open up my sketchbook, sorry, and this is where some of the early designs for the Making Faces came from. You could see the hairstyles and the sketches. This one actually stayed very similar. So that is from my sketchbook where the Making Faces idea came from. And so back to this. This is a zip gift tag. Now the zip gift tag is a tag that you would make. It has this zip opening pattern. You could use it as a solid, or you could have these drop-in pieces. Now here's the other thing too, is that when the recipient gets it, they can zip open this part, and you could have inserted a gift card in there, or a photo, or whatever you want. It makes, you could change the words up, but it makes a really fun card, especially, or tag, especially for a wedding or just a birthday gift. And so you could see there's different things, stars and hearts and houses, and like a housewarming, there's words for you, happy, congrats. It's just a really, really versatile tag. Again, you can make just a plain tag if you want to use it for a plain tag, or you can layer it and put the second piece that has the zip part in it. It's a piece that drops in when you, this piece drops in here when you're ready to cut it. So that is our January launch. What I also wanted to do, because this is the very, very, very first launch from Creativation that we did in January, I wanted to share something from my sketchbook. When I was a designer for a large company, I originally started as a graphic designer doing their packaging and things like that. And at one point I asked to be a product designer, and the person in charge of the product designers asked me, "Can you draw?" And I said, "Yes, I can." And she said, "Well, give me some drawings, show me some drawings that you did." So over the weekend, I sat and I sketched and I sketched, and I always wanted to share this with everybody. These are the sketches I did just to show that I could draw. So I did, a cat and lotus flowers, tulip and poppies, and it was just literally just pencil sketches of things just to show that yes, I can draw. So I had a lot of fun with that, and just thought I'd share it because I love sharing what's in my sketchbook, and this is where it all started. So thanks for watching. That was the January launch for iCrafter. And be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. There's so much more to watch. Thanks. Bye-bye.